I can see what is happening all the time at any time in the factory on any particular piece of instrument that I require. My name is Trevor Meredith. I am the development engineer in Solbar Food Technologies in Israel, which produces soy protein meal for feed. We produce refined soybean oil, lecithin for food and industrial purposes. When we began working with Clarity, I was able to work from home, from my home computer, because under the situations today, or as I am not working every day from the factory, I cannot see what's happening in the actual process itself. So this allowed me to look at each piece of equipment, enables me to see everything that I need within the process to build all my workbenches, and also the feedback that I get from the people in Crowley that helps us a lot, that helps me especially a lot with processing problems or pieces of equipment that maybe not be working optimum. And it's small things. Each time it's a small thing, but it helps us make the factory more efficient, more profitable, which is what we're interested in the long run. And yes, I'm very satisfied, and I would definitely recommend it.